Some of the world's most breathtaking travel destinations may be hidden in the ground beneath your feet. While some are man made constructions, others are fascinating natural wonders that have been formed over the course of thousands of years. Go underground and you gain a whole new perspective on the world. From wartime tunnels and salt mines to rock hewn temples and ancient cisterns beneath modern day cities, we have dug up the most interesting underground attractions across the globe. So, here are the world's best underground attractions. Number 1. Dinosaur Caves, USA. The San Luis Obispo County stretch of California coast is home to a world of arcs, caves, grottos, and rock gardens that are only accessible from the water. Visitors can explore their watery depth on the exhilarating 3-hour excursion with Central Coast Kayaks. Some of the caves run up to 30 feet deep. If you are lucky, you'll spot seals, otters, and dolphins as you paddle through the North Pacific. Number 2. Rofo Holchelir Lava Tunnel, Iceland, which is commonly known as Roughly Lava Tunnel. Just outside Reykjavik, you can walk through a 100-foot wide tunnel formed as a lava tube in a volcanic eruption more than 5,000 years ago. In some places, the roof has caved in natural light and snow and floods in. Elsewhere, impressive lightning highlights the colors and geological formations. Number 3. Ajanta Caves, India. A cliff face in Maharashtra hides remarkably well-preserved murals, carvings and sculptures dating from 1st and 2nd century to 5th century, which are considered masterpieces of Buddhist religious art, lost until a Handil party stumbled across an entrance in 1890. The 30 or so caves have a network of halls which columns carved out of the rock. Number 4. Lockport Underground Boat Ride, USA. It took nearly 15 painstaking years for workers to blast this 2,000-foot man-made cave out of solid rock. It was designed in 1850s underneath Lockport City, New York, to supply water from Erie Canal to local industries. These days, you can walk through a subterranean tunnel to cave, then take a boat ride through the velvety black water. But beware, you'll need to wear a raincoat to protect yourselves from the dripping ceiling. Number 5. Beylik Cistern, Turkey. The largest of many underground water reservoirs in Istanbul, this colossal tank was built beneath an ancient basilica by Byzantine Emperor Justinus in AD 532. A total of 336 columns, many of them recycled from the older temples, support the structure and visitors can explore on raised platforms. The cistern lay undiscovered until the 16th century when a visiting Frenchman was intrigued by locals who called fish from their basements. Number 6. The Louvre, France. Originally a fortress and a royal residence, the Louvre now holds one of the world's finest collections of art. Architect IMP Glass Pyramid that has become an iconic Paris landmark. The once controversial entrance to a huge underground lobby was initially deemed too modern by some, but today is synonymous with the French capital. There are also fascinating underground walkway past the medieval foundations of Louvre. Number 7. City Market, Catacombs, USA. Delve beneath the buzzing cafes of City Market in Indianapolis and you'll find an eerily quiet network of catacombs stretching for 22,000 square feet. The limestone brick arcs and pillars were originally the basement of Tomlinson Hall, a vast municipal building that was demolished after a fire in 1958. Now, an organized tour gives you the chance to explore the musty underground warren, which is popular with ghost hunters. Number 8. Underground Colosseum, Italy. There's plenty to explore beneath the surface of the world's famous Colosseum in Rome. Visit the dungeon where gladiators and animals waited before their fight. You can also see a reconstructed trapdoor and wooden elevator used to hoist fighters to arena level. Number 9. De Rohan, Belgium. Above ground, Antwerp is a fascinating mix of medieval history and contemporary cool. This unusual tour beneath its streets explores the network of sewers, walls, and canals in semi-darkness while revealing the secrets of Belgium's second city through the ages. Be prepared for the bad smells. Number 10. Crypt at Paul's Cathedral, England. St. Paul's in London is famous for its stunning dome, but what of cathedral sites below ground? The crypt holds the tombs of Duke of Wellington, Lord Nelson, and cathedral architect Sir Christopher Wren, and many others ecclesiastical gems. The crypt and the treasury were vast, running the entire length of cathedral above. Number 11. Wind Cave National Park, USA. Wind Cave, deep below the South Dakota grasslands, is one of the world's longest cave networks, where some of the rock formations date back 310 million years. It's earned its name because when powerful winds blast in and out the cave, it makes a whistling noise. Over 123 miles of its rocky passages have been explored and 6 lakes have been discovered. The big draw is the intricate honeycomb pattern calcite formation. Number 12. German Underground Hospital, Channel Islands. Built by forced labor on the island of Guernsey during WW II, this military hospital doubled as a munitions stored for occupying German forces. All that can be seen above ground are the small entrances and ventilation shafts, but underground there is 7,000 square feet of tunnels. Number 13. Indiana Caverns, USA. Adventurers will love the 4-hour deep darkness tour inside the lower caves at Indiana Caverns. It's physically challenging, starting with a descent down a 93-foot ladder followed by a section of scrambling over boulders and crawling through watery passages. The final part is kayak down subterranean river. Keep your eye out for the carved crayfish. Number 14. Port Wine Cellars, Portugal. Port is the heart of Portugal. Portugal's second city is the place where the fortified wine is aged in tanks or wooden barrels and then exported. A cellular tour in Portugal is a must, and there are dozens of options with guided tours and tastings. Number 15. Copenhagen Cisterns, Denmark. Beneath Sodenmarken Park in central Copenhagen, a cathedral-sized underground reservoir once filled with 16 million liters of drinking water is now a venue for art exhibitions and events. Part of the Fredensborg Museum, this fascinating place has naturally formed stalactites and stalagmites.